The phone does not have signal at this moment, and a short message, SMS, could not be sent. Couldn't send message. Tap here to review your message. Okay, so here's the SMS, the blue one. There is the text which I tried to send, and here's an exclamation mark which shows us that the message was not sent. And to try to send it again, tap on that exclamation mark, and now down here we have a few options. So once again, exclamation mark, and here we have a resend. Tap on resend. Now it's trying to send it again, and if it has signal, then maybe it will succeed. So that's how to try to resend your message once again. If there should be signal in that zone and the message still cannot be sent, then try to restart your phone. Hold down the power button on the side and restart the phone. Restart. And then try to send the message again.